Have you eaten? Okay, can you? All right. I was about to request to open your camera. Okay, let me just share the screen. Okay, Trinam. So we are now in starters, practice 1, listening. Okay, so we have finished our lessons from Unit 8. This is the last unit that we have in this book. Okay, so we will going to practice your listening skills. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let me play the audio for this one.
Page 84. Starters. Practice 1. Listening. A. Listen and draw lines. There is one example. 1.
Is that your dad?
Yes, it is. His name is Bill. He's at the hospital.
Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't. He's a nurse.
2.
Is your mom a pilot?
No, she isn't. She's a chef. Her name is Lucy.
Where is she?
She's at the restaurant.
3.
Is your dad at the school?
Yes, he is. He's a teacher.
What's his name?
His name is Tom.
4.
Is this your mom?
Yes, it is. Her name is May.
Is she at home?
No, she isn't. She's on the bus. She's a bus driver.
Okay. So let's go back to the book. Okay, so based on what you've heard, Trinam, you will going to match, we will going to draw a line in each picture to match their job, to their Okay, so let's start with Bill. Bill is, what is his profession?
Hospital.
Yes, he works at the hospital, but what is his profession? He is
Bill.
Yes, he is Bill, but what is his profession? Is he a nurse? Is he a doctor? He's working in the
A
hospital.
doctor.
Yes, he's a doctor. Okay, how about Lucy?
Is
She's
is
she's what? She's working at a She's working at a what? What is this?
Lucy.
What is it? One more, Trinam. She's working in a pastry shop. Okay, and what is her profession?
Lucy.
What is Lucy's profession? If she is working.
She's working
in a pastry shop. She's wearing what? She is a She is a what? She is a chef, a pastry chef. Yes, a pastry chef. Okay, how about Tom? How about Tom? Where is he working?
In school.
At school. Very good. And what is his profession if he's working at school?
Yes.
He is?
Is
Mm-hmm. He is?
he
If he is
is
working at school, what?
okay.
Yes, he is working, but what is he? What is he? What is his profession? If he is working at school, he is
He is
mm-hmm, a a teacher. He is a teacher. Okay. How about May?
May
Mm-hmm. May. What is her work?
is of Lisa.
Hmm? She is working
As of
as
birds.
a bus what? A
Bus.
bus?
Bus. Bus.
Like bus what? A bus? What is it? A bus?
A bus.
Hmm? Two words. Bus driver.
Bus driver.
Yes, she is a bus driver. Okay. One more, Trinam. Where is Lucy working again? Where is she working? She's working at.
You're walking at
She's working
shop. How?
at what shop?
Shop.
What kind of shop? She's working. There's a cake. There's a sweets. Like cake, pies. It is a pastry shop. Pastry shop or bakery. Okay? Hello, Trinam?
Okay.
Okay. And what is Lucy's work again? She is what? What Lucy's profession? She
is mm, mm,
is a pastry
pastry
chef.
a pastry chef.
Yes, a pastry chef. Very good. Okay, how about Tom?
Uh,
How about Tom? Where is he working?
working the
Hmm?
school.
Yes, he's working at school. And if Tom is working at school, what is his profession? He is?
He is teacher.
Yes, very good. He is a teacher. Okay, last one. How about May? May.
May
What is what is her work again?
bus.
Bus what?
Hmm.
Bus? It's bus. Two words. Bus.
Don't worry.
What is she doing
Ra-
with the bus?
She driver.
Yes, a bus driver. A bus driver.
A
Okay.
bus driver.
Very good. Okay. Okay, so let's move to exercise B, speaking. Okay, look at the picture, Trinam. And tell me what kind of activity they are doing on the picture. Okay, let's start with this one. With this boy. He is what? What do you think? His feeling is he is
He is
he is he hungry? Is he hungry?
no.
No, this is a water. So he is
Eating.
what? Okay, what is it again?
Eating.
Okay, one more. What is it again?
Eating.
Thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Yes, thirsty. Okay, how about these kids? What are they playing?
Is playing
They are
basketball.
playing. They,
They
plural.
are playing. Ah,
Basketball.
okay.
Okay, how about him? Look at him. What about him? If he's thirsty, what do you think this kid feel in this picture? He is?
He
Is he feeling hot or what? He is feeling
okay.
starts with letter C.
Right.
Starts with letter C.
Letter C.
Yeah, yes.
What?
What is he feeling? He
Is cool.
yes, very good. He is cold. Okay. How about her? What is she doing in the picture? What activity is she doing in the picture?
Yeah.
She is.
He is flying a
She's.
kite.
Yeah, she's flying
Flying a kite.
kite. Yes, flying kite. Well done, Trina. Okay, so let's move to exercise C. Okay, reading and writing. Look and read. Write yes or no. Okay, based on the picture shown on the screen, Trinam, you will going to tell if it's no, if it's yes or no. Okay, for example, can you read this for me? They are
They are at school.
yes or no?
No. No.
No, very good. Okay, how about number 2? The boy.
The boy is sick.
The boy is sick. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. How about number 3? The man. Okay, the man.
The man and woman are doctors.
Are doctors. Okay, the man and woman are doctors. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, number 4. The girl. The girl.
The girl.
The girl.
The
The girl
is
is
tired.
yes. Is the girl tired? Does she feel tired?
Tired.
Yes or no?
No.
No. What is she feeling then if she's not tired?
Is hungry.
Yes, she's hungry. Very good. Okay. Exercise D. Look at the pictures, look at the letters, and write the word. Okay. So as you can see, we have here a scrambled word. So we will going to put in the right order, okay, in the correct order, each letters to create a word. For example, number 1, soccer player. Okay, what do you think is number 2? Based on the picture and
Student.
based. Yes, very good, student. Okay, how about number 3?
Driver. No.
What is
No.
number 3?
Yeah. E.
Hmm? What is number 3, Trinam?
Oh no.
You can do it. Just try to unscramble the word.
Oh.
Hello, Trinam.
Uh.
Ah?
Oh no.
Oh no, you can do it. Okay, I will give you a clue. It's end with letter T. What do you think
T?
is it? Yes.
Hmm.
It's end with letter T.
Pilot.
Okay, what is
Pilot.
it? What is
Pillar.
it?
Pillar.
Can you spell it out?
Pillar. Pillar.
Okay, spell it. Spell it for me.
Pillar.
What is the spelling?
Pilot.
Yes, pilot. Okay, very good. It's pilot, not pilot. Okay, it's pilot. Okay, last one, Trinam. Number 4.
Hospital.
Huh?
Hospital.
Yes, hospital. Very good. Okay, well done, Trinam. Okay, so let's move to starters. Practice 2, listening again. Okay, let me play the audio for this one.
Page 86.
Listen carefully.
Starters. Practice 2. Listening. A. Read the questions. Listen and write a name or number. 1,
Mom? Dad? Mom? Dad?
What's wrong?
I can't find my mom and dad.
What's your name?
I'm Lucy.
What is your dad's name, Lucy?
It's Tony.
Is that Tony?
Yes, he's wearing a blue cap and a green t-shirt.
2,
What's your mom's name?
It's Anna. That's A-N-N-A.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a red dress and black shoes.
Okay, thank you.
3,
What's their phone number?
It's 624-2169.
Okay. Do you spell your name Lucy?
Yes, that's right.
4,
How old are you, Lucy?
I'm 8 years old.
I can help you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Trinam, so let's go back to the book again. Okay, starters. Practice 2, listening. Okay, in this practice, we will going to hone your listening skills. Okay, read the questions and listen and write a name or number based on the audio that I played, that you've heard. We will going to answer each questions. Okay, for example, number 1. Can you read number 1 for me?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is
name that?
What is Lucy's
Dad's name.
What is Lucy's dad's name?
Tony.
Tony. Okay, how do you spell Lucy's dad's name? Can you spell it out for me? T
Tony.
Yes, Tony. How about number 2, Trinam? What is
Lucy's mom's name?
What is Lucy's mom's name? What is Lucy's mom's name? What is Lucy's mom's name based on the
Emma.
audio? Okay, what is it?
Emma.
What?
Emma?
Yes. Can you spell it for me?
A.
What's the next letter?
M. A.
Yes, Anna. Very good. Number 3. What is their phone number?
Their phone number?
Tell
Is
me
0,
what.
0, 0, 0, 0.
No, it's not. Okay, let's go back to the audio again. Listen carefully.
NY.
Yes, he's wearing a blue cap and a green t-shirt.
Listen, Trinam, okay?
2. What's your mom's name?
It's Anna. That's A-N-N-A.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a red dress and black shoes.
Okay, thank you. 3. What's their phone number?
It's 6242169.
Okay. Do you spell your name Lucy?
Yes, that's right.
No.
4.
Oh
How-
no.
Oh no, okay.
6,
6, okay.
4,
6,
2,
6,
4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, 6,
Are you sure it is their number?
6,
6,
6, 4, 2, 4, 6, 9.
Okay, you're missing 1. 642. 6424169. Okay, let's check
69.
again. Let's check again. Trinam, listen carefully.
Anna. That's A-N-N-A.
and A.
What's she wearing?
She's wearing a red dress and black shoes.
Okay, thank you. 3. What's their phone number?
It's 6242169.
Okay. Do you
Okay. So what is the number again? I think it's 6, 2,
2, 4,
4,
2, 1,
1,
6, 9.
6, 9. Okay, 624.
Yeah.
6242169. Okay. And how old is Lucy, Trinam?
Is 8 years old.
Yes, 8 years old. Very good. Okay, speaking. Listen and answer the question. And answer the questions. Okay, wait. Listen and answer the questions. Wait, Trinam. Okay, so instead, because we don't have an audio for this one. Oops. Okay, Trinam, since we don't have much time, I'm sorry. We will going to cut our lesson from here. Okay, we will going to finish our lesson from here. I'll see you again on Wednesday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye, Trinam. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye.